In my KitchenAid K150 Blender review, you'll learn all about this reliable blender that can handle both your smoothie cravings and ice crushing needs. This sleek machine packs plenty of power into its compact frame. The specialized ice crushing blade design works at 4 different angles to pull ice toward the center, turning cubes into snow in under 10 seconds. You'll love how the soft start feature gradually ramps up speed to prevent splashing, and the IntelliSpeed motor adjusts automatically based on what you're blending. The 3 speed settings give you perfect control for different recipes. The 48-ounce main jar handles family-sized batches, while the 2 personal jars let you blend and take your smoothie to go. Crushing ice doesn't have to be a struggle. The K150 features unique asymmetric blades that work at 4 distinct angles, pulverizing ice into snow-like consistency in under 10 seconds. The dedicated ice crush setting takes the guesswork out of making frozen drinks. Just add ice, hit the button, and in moments you'll have perfectly crushed ice ready for smoothies, cocktails, or frozen treats. The IntelliSpeed motor system adapts automatically to handle a variety of frozen ingredients. You won't need to stop and shake the blender or manually adjust settings. It detects what's inside and maintains optimal speed for consistent results. This means no more guesswork when blending different textures. The blender does the thinking for you. The asymmetric stainless steel blade design creates a vortex effect, pulling ingredients from 4 different angles for thorough blending without any stubborn chunks left behind. The soft start feature prevents messy splatters by gradually ramping up to your chosen speed. As a result, your countertops will stay clean while the motor pulls ingredients toward the blade before kicking into high gear. The package that I'm reviewing includes 2 personal jars that serve double duty. Blend your drink and take it to go without extra dishes to wash. These travel-ready containers make morning smoothies quick and convenient. On the topic of portability, blending your favorite smoothies and drinks to take on the go has never been simpler. 2 personal blender jars make it easy to blend and take your drinks on the go. Simply blend your smoothie directly in the personal jar, then twist on the travel lid, and you're ready to head out. With other blenders, you have to blend in the main jug and then pour into separate personal blending jars. But with the KitchenAid K150, you can actually blend your smoothies directly into the personal blending jars, saving time on both blending and cleanup. Also, the compact design takes up minimal counter space at just 8.5 inches deep and 7.1 inches wide. Plus, cleanup is hassle-free since the removable parts are dishwasher safe. Now for the pros and cons part of my KitchenAid K150 review. Starting with the pros, the ice crush setting pulverizes ice in under 10 seconds, making it perfect for frozen drinks. You get 2 personal blending jars that double as to-go containers. The soft start feature prevents splashing by ramping up speed gradually. IntelliSpeed technology adjusts blending power based on what's in the jar. 3 speeds plus ice crushing give you good control over consistency. The unique blade design creates a vortex effect for better blending. It runs quieter than many competing models. The 48-ounce capacity handles family-sized portions. As for the cons, the base unit is a bit larger than some compact models. Limited speed options compared to more premium blenders. Also, there are more powerful options available for very demanding blending tasks. But the KitchenAid K150 is a solid mid-range blender that fits most people's needs. Modern kitchen appliances need to look as good as they perform, and this sleek K150 delivers on both fronts. While other colors are available, I have to say that the matte charcoal gray finish brings a sophisticated touch to any countertop while maintaining a professional appearance that won't show fingerprints easily. The compact footprint measures just 8.5 inches deep by 7.1 inches wide, making it perfect for smaller kitchen spaces. At 14.8 inches tall, it fits comfortably under most standard cabinets when not in use. The clean lines and minimalist design avoid unnecessary decorative elements that could collect dust or grime. The control panel features simple, intuitive buttons that are easy to wipe clean. The 48-ounce main jar and 2 personal blending containers are made from durable materials that resist scratches and staining. All removable parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. After looking at all the details, I really think this KitchenAid K150 blender hits the sweet spot between power and convenience. The K150's 3-speed settings give you good control from gentle blending to crushing ice with ease. You'll appreciate the flexibility of having both a 48-ounce pitcher and personal blender jars. While it handles most blending tasks well, you might need to shake or stir occasionally when working with a lot of dense frozen ingredients. The simple controls make it approachable for daily use, and the compact design saves valuable counter space. For the price point, you get a reliable machine from a trusted brand. If you want a versatile blender that can make everything from smoothies to frozen drinks without breaking the bank, the K150 is worth considering. And with that said, I really hope my KitchenAid K150 blender review answered any questions you had. Thanks for watching.